You hear my heart, even when I don't say the right words. Your love is so patient, even when I'm getting on your nerves. You trust my love for you.
This looks so expensive, and it's by the brand Studio C, and it feels so good. Like, this is so pretty for $1, yo. Really good quality. So cute, yo.
Delighting in the truth of you. You give me hope for a new day. My job is to protect your love, 'cause I love the way you love me every day. Your love is worth fighting for, and I'm telling you today you're everything that I wanted, everything that I needed and more. Everything that I wanted and needed is everything that I needed and more. I can't get enough of it and never get back. Never the way you love me. I can't get enough of it.
Why can't this fit me? Oh my god, this is so cute. But they don't fit my wrist. Aww.
You're everything that I needed and more. Everything that I needed more. You're everything I needed and more. I find myself telling all my friends about your love. Just smile the way you look at me, I just can't get enough. But every time I try to formulate the words to say, I just keep stuttering and fumbling, tripping over every move I make. What kind of love is this that got me dizzy, twisted?